Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to get our hands dirty with a crop that's as beautiful as it is beneficial, the pomegranate. These little red gems packed with juicy arils have been a symbol of health and prosperity for centuries. And let me tell you, getting them from the orchard to your table is a job that's tougher than it looks. Luckily, modern technology is lending a hand, making the process more efficient and ensuring you get the highest quality fruit possible. Now, you might be picturing a quaint little orchard with trees laden with ripe pomegranates just waiting to be plucked. And while that image isn't entirely wrong, the reality is a bit more complex. We're talking about large-scale operations with rows upon rows of trees stretching as far as the eye can see. From the moment a pomegranate seed is sown to the time it reaches your grocery store shelf, innovation is at play. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the fascinating world of modern pomegranate farming, where technology is transforming an ancient crop for a modern world. Now, before we even get to those juicy arils, we gotta start at the beginning, planting the trees. And let me tell you, it's not as simple as tossing some seeds in the ground and hoping for the best. Pomegranate trees can be a bit finicky, and they thrive in specific climates with plenty of sunshine and well-drained soil. That's why you'll find most commercial pomegranate orchards in places like California, Arizona, and parts of the Mediterranean. But even with the perfect climate, getting those trees to flourish takes some serious technology. Forget about hand watering each individual sapling. These days it's all about high-tech irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the roots with pinpoint accuracy. We're talking sensors in the ground that measure moisture levels, weather stations that track rainfall, and computer algorithms that calculate the exact amount of water each tree needs. Remember those drones I mentioned earlier? Well, they're not just for show. These high-flying helpers are equipped with multispectral cameras that can capture images of the orchard from above, giving farmers a bird's-eye view of their crops. Now, once those pomegranate trees start growing, the real work begins. And by work, I mean constant monitoring and maintenance to ensure those fruits are growing big, juicy, and full of flavor. And you guessed it, technology is playing a starring role in this department too. Forget about farmers walking the rows, clipboard in hand, visually inspecting each tree. These days, it's all about sensors, data, and artificial intelligence working together to keep those pomegranates happy. Imagine this, tiny sensors attached to the trees, constantly measuring things like leaf temperature, trunk diameter, and even the amount of sunlight each branch is receiving. This data is then beamed wirelessly to a central computer system, where AI algorithms analyze the information and look for any signs of trouble. Is a tree not getting enough water? The sensors will know. Is a branch showing signs of disease? The AI will flag it. By analyzing the data collected by the sensors, farmers can fine-tune their irrigation schedules, adjust fertilizer applications, and even predict harvest times with incredible accuracy. Okay, so we've planted, we've monitored, we've nurtured, and now it's finally time for the main event, the harvest. And while there's still a lot of manual labor involved in getting those pomegranates off the trees, technology is lending a helping hand here too. Now you might be picturing hordes of workers hand-picking each fruit, carefully placing them in baskets. Enter the mechanical harvester, a marvel of modern agricultural engineering. This ingenious machine straddles the rows of trees, gently shaking the branches with just the right amount of force to loosen the ripe pomegranates. As the fruits fall, they're caught in a series of conveyor belts and funneled into large bins, ready for transport to the processing facility. But even with the help of these mechanical marvels, harvesting pomegranates is still a labor-intensive process. That's why researchers are constantly working on developing even more advanced harvesting technologies like robotic arms that can selectively pick ripe fruits without damaging the trees or bruising the delicate arils. Section 5, the sorting ceremony, separating the good from the great. Now, once those pomegranates have been harvested, they're whisked away to the processing facility where the real magic happens. And by magic, I mean a highly efficient and technologically advanced sorting and grading process that ensures only the highest quality fruits make it to market. Forget about hand sorting each individual pomegranate, looking for blemishes or imperfections. These days, it's all about cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence working together to separate the good from the great. Imagine this. pomegranates rolling down a conveyor belt at lightning speed, passing under the watchful eyes of high-resolution cameras. These cameras capture images of each fruit from multiple angles, analyzing everything from size and shape to color and external defects. The real brains of the operation are the AI algorithms that analyze the images and make split-second decisions about each fruit's fate. It's a symphony of technology and efficiency, and it's ensuring that only the best of the best make it to your grocery store shelves. Section 6. The heart of the matter: extracting liquid ruby. Now, for those pomegranates that don't quite make the cut for the fresh market, don't worry, they're not going to waste. Instead, they're destined for a different kind of stardom transformation into that deliciously tart and antioxidant-rich pomegranate juice we all know and love. And just like every other step in the pomegranate journey, technology is playing a key role in maximizing efficiency and quality in the juicing process. Gone are the days of hand-squeezing pomegranates to extract their precious juice. These days, it's all about industrial-scale juicing machines that can process tons of fruit per hour. These mechanical marvels use a combination of crushing, pressing, and filtering to separate the juice from the seeds and pulp, ensuring a smooth, flavorful, and visually appealing final product. By using cold pressing techniques and minimizing exposure to heat and oxygen, these machines help retain the natural vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make pomegranate juice so good for you. Section 7. Preserving perfection packaging and beyond. Okay, so we've harvested, sorted, graded, and even juiced our pomegranates, but the journey's not over yet. Now it's time to package and distribute these precious fruits and their byproducts, ensuring they reach consumers in pristine condition. For fresh pomegranates, it's all about protecting those delicate arils from damage during transport. That's where specialized packaging comes in, with individual compartments for each fruit, preventing bruising and ensuring they arrive at the grocery store looking their best. As for pomegranate juice, it's all about maintaining that vibrant color, fresh flavor, and nutritional content. That's where aseptic packaging comes in, a process that sterilizes both the juice and the packaging material, eliminating the need for preservatives and ensuring a longer shelf life. Section 8. Technology on your table. The sweet taste of progress. So there you have it, folks, a behind-the-scenes look at the incredible journey of the pomegranate, from orchard to table. And as we've seen, technology is playing an increasingly important role every step of the way, from precision irrigation and drone monitoring to AI-powered sorting and high-tech packaging. But what does all this mean for you, the consumer? Well, for starters, it means you're enjoying higher quality pomegranates and pomegranate products than ever before. Technology is helping farmers grow bigger, juicier, and more flavorful fruits, while also minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact of farming. And thanks to advanced processing and packaging techniques, you can enjoy those pomegranates and their juice year-round, knowing they're as fresh and nutritious as the day they were harvested. Technology is bridging the gap between consumers and the food they eat, giving us a greater appreciation for the hard work, ingenuity, and innovation that goes into every bite. So, the next time you crack open a juicy pomegranate or pour yourself a glass of its vibrant juice, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there, a journey made possible by the powerful combination of nature and technology.